Hi, everyone. I got a package. I got a package. Stay tuned to find out from who. I did. I got a package. And this is from Creations Morin. If you're not familiar with her shop, you need to go check her out because she's got some pretty cool trays and pens and putty, 3D items. She's got a lot of cool stuff. So here I am using something sharp. Isn't always a good thing. So as you all know, I am trying to acquire more Creation Moran trays because I'm trying to switch over to her trays from Diamond Art Club trays. And these are my trays. So I have, you saw the tower. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I forgot I ordered some putty. Some of this is going to be giveaways. Not sure yet. So, okay, so the putty container is a free gift with the putty pack. Ooh, I got Bunny Burps, Mermaid 2.0, Butterfly Power, Flower, Butterfly Flower, Chocolate Bunny, and Bunny Cake. Ooh, I think I bought a mystery pack. I don't remember. And I've slept since I've ordered this, so I don't remember. So, and when you order the putty, she gives you instructions on how to use it in case you don't know. Because there are people that might not know how to use the putty. I didn't when I first started. Ice crayon apple, jasmine and white silk, lavender fields forever, sweet grass, and petal fusion. Ooh, I really don't remember ordering these, guys. I know I ordered a putty pack. I don't know if what was a gift and what wasn't. Joni is, anyone who's ordered from Creations Moran knows that Joni is super generous. So I want to smell the bunny burps. Let's take a whiff at this stuff, shall we, guys? Okay, get your smell-o-vision going. Oh, this, it smells very strong. Smell it. Kind of smells like, I don't know. I'm not impressed with bunny burps. But let's see what cake, bunny cake, smells like. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this smells like a cake batter. Smell. This one is lovely. Oh, all right. I like bunny cake. So we're going to put the ones I like right there. And I'm not too fond of that bunny burps. This one is chocolate bunny. Oh, this is good. Mmm. Smells like chocolate. Yeah. Chocolate with a hint of cake in it. Like a, yeah, I like it. This one is butterfly flower. Ooh, this one smells like a perfume. Yeah. Can't place it, but it smells like a perfume. But I like it. It smells good. Mermaid 2.0. Let's see what Mermaid 2.0 smells like. I'm not sure. I think I have to give my nose a rest a minute. Okay. I also got what we're going to go look at the trays while I rest my nose. I'm not too sure if I like this one. This is Mermaid 2.0. But then again, I don't know what a mermaid smells like. Do you know what a mermaid smells like? Okay, before we smell these, let's look at the trays. I was told I needed to try their minis. This is a mini tray. So, whoa, this top stopper is really on there pretty good. I actually like that it's on there tight. Okay, so I don't like dark trays because they're hard for me to see the drills. So that's why I got the bright color bottoms. I love their trays. Look, comes with the washi tape trick. And I like that I can put my own stickers on here. Ooh, the blue and the red. I love colorful things. So far, so good. Here's another blue. I think that's the same. It is. It's all good. I like it. And the last tray. Ooh, look at that pretty bottom. And the purple top. I like it. So I got 4 more trays with a mini tray. I like her trays a lot, guys. And of course, we got some more stickers to add. So I can actually put a sticker there, or I can put that sticker there. I have to do a video on where I decide to put my stickers. A scratch and win, of course, because don't tell Mr. Pampered, but this is an enabler card right here. Thank you, Nick and Joni, for my new trays. I love them. Okay, so let's see about these. Ice cran apple. Okay. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like an apple. Oh, it definitely smells like cran apple. Definitely does. So let me put these guys in there because I like those for sure. And then we'll put this batch. Jasmine and white silk. I love the names. How do you come up with the names, Joni? How do you come up with the names? Definitely smells like a jasmine. Yeah. Jasmine and white silk. I don't know what white silk smells like, but it's okay. Here's lavender field. Now, Creations Moran does not decorate their putty. They don't use any dyes in their putty, or so you're not going to see them in decorative shapes or colors. Oh, I like this one too. Lavender field. Oh, I like that one. So they all look the same. So it's important to keep them in their package. Sweet grass. Oh, I'm thinking maybe it smells like fresh cut grass. What do you think? Put in the comments. I'll give you a minute. Okay. I don't think it smells like grass. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not too sure about this one. So that's going to go over here in this pile. Petal Fusion. Ooh, I like that. I can't just, it smells like flower petals. Yeah. Okay. So that is these. So far, from the initial smell test, there's only 3 that I'm really not too excited about. That's Sweetgrass, Mermaid 2.0, and Bunny Burps. So these might be giveaways because I can throw these right in a card and send it to somebody. You never know who's going to get it. I don't even know who's going to get it. So I liked Petal Fusion, Lavender Field, Jasmine and White Silk, and Ice Cranberry. Ice Cranberry is my absolute, I love it. I really love that one. So we're going to put that one at the top. And then I also liked Butterfly Flower, Chocolate Bunny, and Bunny Cake was my favorite. So there we go. There we go. So definitely check out Creations Morin, guys. Look at these beautiful trays. She really does make the best trays. I'm not just saying that. I'm not an affiliate or anything of hers, but if you want some good trays, these are the trays. I mean, I'm converting over, Joni, converting over. So there'll be another order. And I did order some trays and sent them to my son. So I hope he got them. He really likes your trays as well. He does not have a diamond painting channel, but he is working on a diamond painting by Make Market, which is sold by Michaels. And he's enjoying the hobby. So thank you, Joni. Thank you, Creations Moran. Great job on the trays as usual. Great job. And don't forget, everybody, you know what I always say, be kind, because you don't know what you don't know what the person next to you is going through. You really don't. All right, be kind. Bye.